When Maya transferred to Ridgewood High, she hoped for a fresh start. New town, new people, new chances. But high school had a way of turning dreams into nightmares, especially when Queen Bee Brielle decided you didn't belong. Brielle was beautiful, popular, and cruel. Her smiles were weapons, and her words, sharper than razors. On Maya's second day, she made the mistake of wearing her mom's vintage red velvet dress. Brielle laughed loud enough for the whole cafeteria to hear. "Oh my God, are you going to a vampire prom, or do you just enjoy looking homeless?" Laughter exploded. Maya froze, cheeks burning, heart cracking. That night, she cried herself to sleep. But she didn't break. She planned. Over the next few weeks, Maya observed. She noticed the cracks in Brielle's perfect life. The fights with her boyfriend, Liam. The way she obsessed over her follower count. How she cheated on tests. How she bullied out of insecurity, not power. Maya decided she wouldn't fight back with fists or cruel words. She'd use the very tools Brielle worshipped: image, status, and secrets. Maya created a fake social media account, @TruthinRidgewood. An anonymous exposé page. At first, she posted vague things: toxic friendships, lies among friends, a cheating scandal, true, but never names. Then came the big one. Maya had found Brielle's burner phone. Left behind at a party. One quick scroll showed pictures, cruel messages, secret recordings, Brielle's private collection of ammunition. Including a video mocking her own best friend's eating disorder. Maya uploaded the video anonymously. Ridgewood exploded. By lunch, Brielle's kingdom crumbled. Friends unfollowed. Her boyfriend dumped her. Teachers looked twice. Even the guidance counselor called her in. Brielle stormed through the halls like a storm cloud, alone, furious, desperate. And Maya, she watched it all unfold silently. But the final touch came a week later. Ridgewood's Talent Gala was coming up, a huge event live-streamed for the entire school district. Maya, a gifted poet, volunteered to perform last minute. The lights dimmed. She stepped onto the stage, heart pounding. Then, she read her poem, every line layered in metaphor, but everyone knew who it was about. Greater than, she wore a crown of roses, soaked in the blood of those she stepped on. Her mirror cracked, not from age, but from truth finally spoken. Silence. Then thunderous applause. Maya looked out into the crowd. Brielle sat near the back, face pale, mascara smeared. The revenge was complete. But Maya didn't smile. She didn't need to. Brielle had taken everything from her. And now, Maya had taken it all back.